Writing resumes can be tough. You may have thought, what information should I include? How can I fit everything I want to say into 1 to 2 pages? Why am I applying to so many jobs and not getting any calls back? Your resume is a snapshot of your education and experience, and it's the first impression employers have of who you are. If you struggle with resume writing, attend a resume review at the career fair to get some helpful recommendations from a career coach. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you prepare for a resume review at the career fair. Tip 1. Bring printed copies of your resume that are as close to being complete as possible. It's okay to bring a working draft of your resume, but the more information you have included, the better quality review you're going to have. A career coach is able to provide much more specific notes and recommendations if they're reviewing a more finalized version of your resume. Let the career coach know if you're applying for a specific job. Show them a copy of that job posting. If we're able to see what job you want to apply for, we can help give some recommendations on how to tailor your resume to that specific job. Resume reviews are only 15 minutes long, so to maximize your review time, prepare questions in advance. Your resume is your own personal document, so remember, career coaches can give you suggestions, but really, it's up to you on what changes you want to make. You are the owner of this document. Our goal is to help you feel confident in your resume writing skills so that you can land those job interviews and really shine. We know you have lots of great experience and skills to share. Let us help you learn how to show that in your resume. Check out norquest.ca/career center for more information about how Norquest can help you launch your success.